drop this right back down. Okay. All right, how about some synchronizers? So we're gonna get some synchronizers out here and put it in. Yeah, that's pretty stable. So the more I got looking at this, as opposed to the teeth being in third and fourth gear, it has these right here. So they put those same teeth that are wearing out on reverse, first and second, they put them on this little thing. So I'm assuming that would significantly change the repair cost. Now ours, these look perfect, but I was just throwing that out to you. That's the difference right there. All right, so that goes down. We got one of the synchronizers goes down, and then one of the blocking plates that goes down. Yeah, so we're gonna go over to the vise, press that on. Oh,
and you press it on with this.
I guess we can. I want to point something out to you. There's a groove. There's a groove in this slider. This is the one that I took off. This is the slider that I took off, and it has this green, and it has, you see that? It's got a sharper taper on the side with the groove. Let me see if this, I can't say as though that's, well, it might be a little bit. This is the replacement one. I'm going to come over to a light. I have no idea what the difference is. I don't see what the difference is between, this is the stock one. It has a little bit different taper there, but nothing touches these. This is the replacement one from Rock Auto. It does have that groove there, so I'm going to match groove up to groove. Everything I've checked around these sliders, it looks like it's the same from that side to that side, but I'm going to put the groove the way it was. Hopefully I'm doing that right. One thing I do need to do, I got to get that lined up to match up with the blocker. Okay, he's already got that set up. He's got it set up backwards. Harley! So, as your jack,
What's up?
I don't know.
You grab on some?
It's going on crooked.
Oh. That could be a problem.
Go give me the rubber mallet.
Oh no.
What?
I could have just went that way. I see that this way is open.
Oh.
Dropping stuff?
Ah!
Oh, jeez. That is not. Oh, no. not a good spot to be doing it.
Alright, I'm gonna press this back on. Hopefully this goes better than last time. I'd say it's already going better. Bam. Okay. Let's go back over. Put the synchronizers on the other side. So, oh hey, gotta put a snap ring on. Let's get a snap ring on. Oh, stupid pliers. Gotta be joking me. Oh, it's going in. It's tight though. I think we can make it work.
Okay. Oh, you mean height-wise or
Yeah.
inside?
Hold it right up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that went in. That's tight. I didn't feel like cutting down another here, hold it. Okay. Guys, I only just barely tapped that, so I'm not worried about that. I don't think I am. Are we worried about it?
No.
Nope. He said no. Okay. So these need to be cleaned. Ooh. This? Yeah, it does. What's that?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fine. Alright, so we're just stacking these things up. There we go. One thing I've found out with those synchronizers, keep spinning them. Keep spinning them, and then you will find the correct spot eventually. It'll drop down, and it will feel right.
Cool.
China wall. Yeah, bummer. Okay. No. Didn't look like anything wrong with that bearing. But I figured since we had them, since I'd ordered them, why not? Okay, now what?
Yeah.
Did 6th gear just get pressed on? Because that's what it looks like.
Some days.
Where's 6th gear?
The back.
Like that?
Like this one, and then the other one was upside down.
Okay. Okay. So let's get this. Oh, it suddenly just got heavier.
So that's one thing. Oh, keep going.
What?
Just keep going.
So, what's one thing? So we could have pressed it the opposite direction, but
It's just easier this way.
right, it is. Now I'm gonna have to. I'm holding the bearing and 3rd gear up, so I'm gonna have you give me a popsicle stick here.
Oh, you can put it in between them. Oh,
Things are getting tight. Yeah. Some. Here, give me 2.
you gotta gauge it being flat crossed.
No. My fingers. There we go.
You need more?
No. I'm going to go ahead. I'd say we're there. You?
Yeah.
And give it one more pour. Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
One more.
One more. You're right. So I gotta be honest, I was probably more intimidated about doing this CounterShaft than any of it.
Yeah,
And this part is flowing on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't you agree?
Yeah, it's going a lot smoother than the other side.
So your main shaft. I don't know. I can't tell if I'm straight up or down or not.
Let me help.
What?
Let me see. Looks like it. Pretty close. Thing is, though, once you get it started, it'll take over.
Sometimes it will.
I doubt it's going crooked.
You're right. See, it's good.
That's how bad it is.
Alright, let me readjust it. Okay. Grab my phone. I want to look up underneath there to make sure that these plates aren't obstructing anything. Just took my light or my camera and shined it up in there to make sure I wasn't going to take a chance of hitting anything as I'm bringing this thing back down through.
Is it going on straight? Flat?
What?
Is it going on flat?
It has to be.
That's what I was kind of getting at earlier. Was
Oh no, I already adjusted it once. Yeah.
I mean, that's ear piercing.
What?
I said that's ear piercing.
Okay. Alright. We are back together.
Yep.
Nice.
Done.
Alright, so last thing to do on this is snap ring. And I don't know if you've heard me, but this thing has went together way smoother. Oh, you weren't out here to see the snap ring earlier.
Why?
I've just, every snap ring, every C-clip has been just it's a real clown show. There we go. Nice. That fits good.
Oh, a little bit in the back.
I'm not sure. Some clips are that way. Let me check it.
You mean fatter in the back, or
Yeah,
for strength reasons?
I think it's in. It looks like it's in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in. What do I want to say about this?
So that's done.
Here, crank it up.
Crank what
Oh,
up?
hey, I wanted to show them this. So this is what I was talking about. This thing goes in from third to fourth really good now. Yeah, we can move it around a little bit. I'm glad we put the new slider assembly in. It was catching just a little bit with the previous one. I mean,
When I used to shift third to fourth, it shifted pretty good. So
yeah.
this is probably going to be even better.
Yep, cool.
All right.
All right.